In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pixlr Zoom the fast and easy way so you can move around your design, inspect details, and work much more efficiently. If you've ever felt like your canvas was too small or you were constantly losing track of your image, this simple zoom guide will help a lot. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Pixlr tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. The fastest way to zoom in Pixlr is with your mouse scroll wheel. Simply move your cursor over the canvas and scroll up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. This is the quickest option when you want to adjust your view on the fly without taking your hands far from the mouse. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Pixlr also makes that easy. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in and press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. These shortcuts are especially useful when you want more precise control while editing. Now, if you want to use the zoom tool directly, press the Z key on your keyboard. That activates the zoom tool, and from there you can left click on the image to zoom in. If you want to zoom out with the zoom tool, you can usually use the alternate zoom behavior while the zoom tool is active, depending on your setup and editing workflow. This is helpful when you want to focus on a specific area of the image, like small text, edges, or fine details. Another super useful shortcut is Ctrl and 0. Pressing that will fit the image to the screen, which is perfect when you zoom in too far and want to instantly bring everything back to a full view. It saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. So to recap, use the mouse scroll wheel for the fastest zooming, Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus for keyboard zoom shortcuts, Z to activate the zoom tool, and Ctrl 0 to fit the image to the screen. Once you get used to these controls, navigating in Pixlr becomes a lot faster and a lot easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Pixlr tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.